Make a great choice today with the 2019 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, power lift gate, tires front all season, tires rear all season, privacy glass, rain sensing wipers, remote trunk release. Come take a test drive today.